Hi, I have a demonstration for a laptop Belinea HLB2. You pretty much have 1, 2, 3 screws to remove, then remove this trap dips door. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 or 3 on the cooler itself. I will take the cooler out. This is just for demonstration. If I have my camera battery is dying, so if I am not finishing this, it will be just a demonstration. Okay, take this out so you can work. This laptop has a dedicated video card, so let's remove the real quick, then take this first out, then remove the other one and slide it out. Okay, now you can clean, apply pasta, and it's done. I'm sorry, this is how the laptop looks like on inside and outside. Black, pretty much basic. I'm sorry, my video card is dying, so I'll stop this video camera battery is dying, so I'll stop here. Don't forget to clean this out and both of coolers. Bye.